Oh yeah, here you are. It's like, oh.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, good.
Hello again. Hello.
Oh, good morning. Here's my friends from Assam.
Good morning. Okay. Yeah, good morning. How are you feeling?
Very good. Very excited.
I hope you enjoyed, right?
Very enjoying.
Mr. Didi, how are you feeling?
Same as that.
Okay. Mr. Bello,
Yes, sir.
Akivito.
Hello. I am feeling very.
But I hope you enjoyed.
Great. The walk was amazing.
Okay.
You're pumped up.
It's good that at least you enjoyed.
Yeah. Look, can you see this?
Yes.